This video is about making money online with a free sales funnel. Lots of money. If you are looking for a quick and simple way to make more money, stick with me. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time almost since the start of the internet. Online marketing is the best way I know of to create both money freedom and time freedom too, if you do it right. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are at their job, thanks to what I do online. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week to help you make more money. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So there are many ways to make money online. My favorite is affiliate marketing. This is where you get paid to market someone else's product or service. Now, it's critical that you select the right opportunity to promote and the right way to do it. See, there are different ways to make money affiliate marketing. Probably the most effective way is to use a sales funnel, build a list, and then market to the list. A sales funnel is the elements you use to share an opportunity online and convert your prospects to sales. The most basic sales funnel includes a landing or lead capture page to collect email addresses, a series of pre-written emails to send out to your prospects on autopilot using an email autoresponder, and a sales page to give more information and help people get started. Trust me, there is an art, a science, to creating a high-converting landing page. It is not something everyone can do. So rather than waste a lot of time and frustration trying to create one, I always suggest starting with a ready-to-go sales funnel, as long as it is something you can customize to brand and promote you. Well, my buddy Jeff created a powerful sales funnel to build the fastest growing home business in the entire industry. I was blown away when he showed me the funnel and how much money he makes using it. I just checked the company leaderboard. He is number 2 out of thousands. And get this, he is letting me give away the same sales funnel for free so you can build the same business the same way. It's the exact same sales funnel. You will get your own landing or lead capture pages, powerful sales pages, and a professionally written email series to email out to your list on autopilot. You'll have the same sales funnel that I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. You do not need to create anything. You can start making money with it today. I'm convinced that this is the easiest way yet to make money online in very minimal time, even if you are a complete beginner. All of the techie stuff is done for you. You do not need to create anything. This is ideal for busy people. It's something you can do in just a few hours per week at a schedule you choose, and because it's all done online, you can do it from just about anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. We have a powerful pay system that not only helps you make money fast, but you can get paid passive or recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales that you make each day. And don't worry, this business is very affordable. In fact, it is the lowest price home business I know of. And no, it is not one of those MLM things where you have to purchase a bunch of products every month. I hate that. We have terrific, easy to follow training, and I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. To get your own copy of this sales funnel for free and start making money online today, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.